Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Selenium XPATH to locate the elements. I am using selenium-driverless library. This is another fantastic lightweight library, and you can use it for web scraping, and overall it was pretty good enough. So basically I'm writing a function which automatically log in to Instagram, and I am currently doing this developing this scrapper. I cannot show you my other files because it's an ongoing project for my client, but I will show you how you can use XPath to locate elements. So this is basically in an XPath is contained the this is the XPath. We're gonna use it, and we created. I don't create it, just created using ChatGPT. So if you're going to let me open on Igniter mode, and I am redirecting to Instagram web page. Sorry. And in this video you see this in this picture, this particular web screen you see, and when I'm gonna inspect this, and you will see this is full copy XPath, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so this was good enough, no doubt to say it is this approach is good, but so this approach is, I think, much far better than they're going to target a special input field has an area label which contain the text, phone number, username or email, and same for the password, and then do it same for the login button. So if I'm gonna copy, I will show you. I'm gonna copy this entire element, copy element, and paste into GPT prompt. This one, you see this contain this text. Okay, so in my function I have, when I create this, not me, it's Chat GPT or Grok AI or DeepSeek, whatever you want to use. So you see exactly it to field input, and then inside this it will area label. You can see the attribute, and then inside you want a message with the assigner equal to sign, and you can paste this exact this text, and you see this XPath. So this is such a great method, but there are some other method as well. So I also created a search engine which describe Google links, and here this the another XPath, especially for those span tags who contain the specific tag. If you're looking forward for to use a XPath for to locate element through text, especially when they are in span tags, when they are in the hyperlinks or some sort of paragraphs, we need to click on it. So if the span tags contain text and comma and all, so please make sure your text is always appropriate, no mistakes please. Okay, so this was highly matter, because if you're not carefully handle these text and designing XPath for your automation script, that will not work. So I'm going to run this now, and I will show you how it works. Let's see it's working, but keep in mind these are the valid hashtags and these are new techniques. You can even use it using ChatGPT or Grok. As I don't do this, it's all built by AI tools, AI softwares, AI models. So I'm gonna run this script. Okay, so after this login it, where I just need to demonstrate you that this is an also method for developing a script through XPATHs. So I'm gonna run this script. You will see you'll see it log in. Yes, now you see it's log into my Instagram account, my password, and you see it successfully click on the button, and here is it. Now I'm not add further things and clicking on not now or save info, whatever, blah blah blah. I'm just demonstrate to you. And this is and also an XPath which show you the button if type submit, and maybe it was incorrect, but uh, it fit appropriately according to my case. So don't worry, I mentioned these hashtags into into the description of the video, but my purpose is to show you how you can use. Let me change the let me design a new XPath for you. I'm gonna wait a minute. Let me use it this kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new hashtag. Oh, sorry, XPath. Sorry, it says if the div class contains and this one and text, and text is and the text is log, I think login. So just click on it. Let me check. Yes, it was, sorry, it was not login, it was login. In mentioned with the capital small letter I, and I will use this. Let's check it was working or not. So it's a best method is to locate an element through text, because in Playwright we have a special locator for this, but in Selenium we need to manage. Why I use Selenium driverless? It's not because Selenium driverless is a lightweight library to handle to build the quality web scrapers. No doubt to say such a uh, great library with the stealth mode features. And yes, so we're gonna run this. Let's check it's working or not. Okay, so let me run it again. Okay, yes, it's work. You can click the element through text, and here, for this, here is the complete video, a very detailed video, very precise video, how you can use XPath for XPath and locate element. So I hope you guys really enjoy my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.